to all the ones who are listening to me. Today I am Visha Sharma of class 9B and my amazing teammates.
I am Vidisha Eluvaria
and I Kajal Swai
from class 9C.
We all are going to present a project that how we can use expired medicines in a very effective way. As you know, expired medicines are hidden behind our cabinets and we don't even know how to use them properly, so we just throw them away or dispose them off. If any animal consume it, it produces harmful effect on its health, and if it gets into a wrong hand, it can be converted into drugs. So this project will tell you that how expired medicines can be used in a very positive way, which will produce very positive results. This site tells us that how we can use expired medicines in a domestic way. A farmer can take expired medicines and crush it into powders and put it into the manure or the water supplied to plant. It will produce very effective results and plant will grow at a faster rate. This site tells us that how it can be done on a commercial scale, which will even help us to increase our economy. This hospital indicates that how big hospitals and pharmacies have a lot of expired medicines. We will collect those expired medicines and these medicines will come into our factory, and these expired medicines will be converted into powdered form and will be provided to the home gardeners or small farmers who might need it. As you know, not all farmers can spend money on expensive fertilizers. These expired medicine powder will be a great help to them. About 70% of medicines are wasted in a normal household and 20 to 30% in normal big hospitals or pharmacies. So we will take those medicines and convert it into powdered form and provide it to all the ones who need it at affordable cost. We even did a real experiment from past 1 month. This is plant A, and I didn't put any expired medicine powder into the manure or the water I supplied to it. But on plant B, I provided expired medicine powder to the plant in the form of manure or the water I supplied to it. And you can see the results. Plant B is growing at a faster rate and you can even see the flower growing on it and it's increase in the height. But plant B growing at a normal rate. So this is all about our project.
Thank you.